Hi, um, Congressman Alfredo Marañon III, and all my family, neighbors, or classmates. Uh, Please support divorce because divorce is a human right of all Filipino citizen. Then what's this? Divorce is very essential in our life. Then we support divorce and advocating for divorce not only by myself but to other peoples who need in divorce, like who is a trap on the marriage. Actually, divorce is saving our life and saving our time. And please, what's this, sana po maintindihan nyo ang aming adhikain bilang suporta ng divorce. And isa din kaming mamayan na Pilipino na kahit nag ano kami ng diborsyo is hindi po ito nakalis sa amin as Filipino citizen. Isa po kaming botante at kailangan nyo pakinggan ang aming adhikain. At salamat po.